Who's feeding you, Rovel? Who's subo? Sino nagsubo kay Rovel? Rovel? Did the dress? Ninang Kat. Ninong Rio. What will you say?
Happy.
Ay?
Happy. How to be my daddy? Yeah, my brother. Happy. My Yahweh. I love Yahweh. I love you, I want you, I love you.
Pandayo yan, pandayo.
Isasambot. Nagagis lang.
Yeah, she's very busy. Galing. Kaya gusto mo ng...
Ay, mawalog ka.
Pwede mo. Pwede mo.
No!
Ikaw nga, papanahiya.
I do my body. It makes my bata. It makes my bata boy. I'll wait for him.
Okay. Happy birthday.
Okay, I love you.
Ako correct.
No!
Si Ib.
Do you wanna build a snowman?
No!
No, also.
I said correct.
Super, may bago.
No!
Do you wanna build a snowman?
Correct!
Si Fred.
Ikaw din, ikaw din, ikaw din.
No! Everybody, I love you.
You like your birthday setup? Mm.
What day you here tomorrow?
Ayan. What will you say?
Happy birthday, Ruben.
Are you excited for your birthday? Are you excited? Ruben?
Yeah!
Make them a mess.
To everyone.
Okay, I love you.
Okay. Wow. Bijaw. Wow, ang ganda sis. Wow, wow. Huh? Whose birthday is it? Wow. Are you happy? What will you tell them? Thank you po. Robel, who is your favorite ninang? Wow. What will you say to Ninang Eve ay? Kiss mo na, kiss. Kiss pag favorite, ikikis. Kiss mo sa Ninang. Ah, gibong.